Hello guys, good evening. Today I'll be discussing about the first thing, which will be Nifty and Bank Nifty in my video in the start, because finally we can see the breakout has happened. Day before yesterday itself, you can see it on the daily time frame, and we have been waiting for long because it's constantly I've been saying that market is very strongly on the sideways phase, and a breakout only will confirm which side the market is resuming, and more inclination always was towards the upside because that was the main trend. Generally, that's why we have more inclination towards the trend always. So if you notice the way the candle has closed after this consolidation, which has been happening from June onwards, so we have waited quite long for this consolidation to break out. And with this body dominant candle, we can clearly see that the breakout has happened. Now further, once we get any rejection candles forming here, then we will have a sign of pullback as well. But till now we do not have, we have an indecisive candle closing. So tomorrow we'll get to know if market is doing the pullback or not. If we have a candle closing below the low, then it's a sign that market is expected to retest this level. But if it closes above the high, it should continue on the upside itself. So clearly by Nifty, as well as if you see Bank Nifty chart as well, we have back-to-back bullish candlesticks from last 2 days, which and though it is currently at a little resistance, but overall it looks like in a good momentum. If I check the weekly chart as well, you can see that market is clearly looking on the upside. Though this has to break the range still, it is still bullish in the range, but Nifty has clearly broken the range. If you see, it is, if this week candle closes the way it is saying it on. So in today's video, that's why I want to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty. But apart from that, what all guys you have posted on the comment box, I have added all those stocks so that you can have a clarity on the same. And last week, since I was not well, I was not able to record my video. So this week I've covered it, and that's how I'm planning to do the videos. Whatever stocks or any of the instruments you want us to you want me to analyze, and you're trading on the live account on the same, and you need an opinion on the same, you can just post it on the comment box and I'll add that in my next week video, which will mostly come out on Friday or Thursday, like either of the days. Mostly I'm planning to do it on Friday because of the weekly close also we will have, and then it would be better. So that's what the plan is. And from my side, I've also added 3 more stocks which looks good as per the daily time frame. They're giving a decent entry. So first I'll discuss the stocks which you guys have asked me on the comment box. So first one is Bajaj Finance. Someone asked me about the Bajaj Finance, that the entry around this area should be good or not. Yes, though for constantly, if you see, market has been rejecting this level, but the entry which you gave was actually a good entry to buy once we have a candle confirmation, which is around this level of 5980 or somewhere around this level. You can keep tracking the daily time frame. What I'm expecting, again, the market, once it retests this level somewhere around this area, we should be looking to buy, not at the current price level, because it is clearly looking to do the pullback. So overall bullish, yes, it is, because we can clearly see it on the weekly time frame. But entry should be, like you said, correctly identified the levels. If you're doing it on the support resistance basis or any other basis, this is the next support level to take a buy, but with a proper candle confirmation somewhere around this area. So you can use the trend line directly on the daily time frame instead of continuing from the weekly one. So this is the one. You can extend it from the past as well. So this is around this area, should be a good support level. If you use Fibonacci more, so you can draw the trend line, Fibonacci levels as well, and it's exactly coinciding around the trend line itself, which is 23.6% level. So this would be an ideal entry to be on the buying side. So that was Bajaj Finance. ICICI, it is bullish. If you'll see the weekly chart as well, it is testing the all-time high this week. And if you want to enter, I would suggest that you can wait for some pullback. That's what today's weekly candle close is telling you. But yeah, banking stocks are looking bullish. At least after the breakout, they're looking quite bullish. So you can be on the buying side, but not at the current price. Wait for some entry, wait for some pullbacks, and then you can enter for buy. But yeah, it is looking bullish. So one way of looking at it is the horizontal way, which I've drawn the trend line, which means that this is the breakout candle and somewhere around this level should be the pullback level. And another way of looking at it is, which is again in a diagonal manner, which is this. So depends on how the candle closing happens. Accordingly, you can figure out that what levels are getting respected. This is another perspective as well, because this is showing that market is taking a resistance here. Okay, and this is an angle which has been getting respected a lot. So a good pullback you can expect. Enter after the pullback, and then this would be the pullback level somewhere around this zone. Once you get a bullish candle formation, that is when you can buy, and first target will be this. It keeps on breaking the new levels, but with pullbacks. So if you notice, this stock has been moving with proper pullbacks in the market. So that's about ICICI, bullish, but not at the current price level, rather at the next support level. Okay. The next one, what you guys have asked, is about the analysis on Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, if I start with a weekly time frame, we can clearly see that this level is acting as a strong support level. If you notice, this whole market has been testing and getting rejected again and again around this area. And again, we have a last week is a spinning top. This week, if the candle closes above the high, just now this is also indecisive candle, but tomorrow's day is still due. It is still left. The movement is still due. So if it closes above the high, then it is confirming for buy. But depends on the weekly close as well. But overall, if you will check the daily chart, definitely it is at a good support level. If you're buying at good bullish confirmations, make sure your stop losses are below this level. If not, at least below the moving average is what you should keep. So it is bullish, but wait for some confirmation is what I would suggest. So weekly also back to back indecisive candles. See at this levels, at the support and resistance level, you see that the market is trying to decide. So if it breaks this level, then why I'm saying to be careful, because then you can see a good fall to happen also. This is, I think, around 23.6% level. See, around 23.6% Fibo level constantly getting rejected. If it breaks below, then it has a possibility of falling down till 240 level, around that area. So wait for the candle close, this tomorrow's close also, so you will get a weekly close. If it closes like a bullish candle, bullish body dominant candle, then it's a morning star, and then it is a clear cut buy, and you can target up to this level. Okay. Next one, what you guys have asked is these two stocks, which are not the part of Nifty 50, but apart from that, which is Balrampur, Chini, and let me check the daily chart here. So if you can see, I've already drawn the trend line because it is a good setup. As per daily, this level is getting rejected again. But we need a proper confirmation, because it's not a clear-cut rejection candle. It's a indecisive candle, but formed at a very strong support. This is a support trend line. This is also a breakout pullback setup. So at current price levels, it is good to buy. It is good to buy. Reason being, your risk is only this much, but your reward is good. So that's the overall analysis. And also, if you notice, it is moving more in a channel formation. See this? Moving in a channel formation. You can adjust the angle a little. Just a second. Yes. So this is a channel formation, what is happening. So clear it is at the support, and you can be on the buying side. If not at the daily time frame, if any 3-hourly time frame or something, if you follow to enter, in your entry time frame, you should have a bullish candle confirmation, and you should target up till this level, which is the next resistance. So this is clearly bullish for me, especially on the daily time frame. And the next one, what I have is Dalmia, Bharat. This one also is similar. If you see, this is the level, and it has been moving in this range constantly. Again, this is a channel type of formation, and market is trying to take a support, though it's half body, half wick, and that to an indecisive one. So wait for the market to give you a bullish confirmation at around this area itself, and then go for buy. If you notice previously also, this same level is getting respected. There's a breakout, pullback, breakout, 1, 2, 3 times pullback this time. Again, once the breakout happens, then you can just keep on holding on. But after seeing this, you know that the market is in a stable trend, which means it is constantly doing pullbacks. So both are bullish, but Balram looks better in terms of entry. But this one, you need a better candlestick confirmation to go for buy. So these were the few stocks which you guys mentioned on the comment box. So now 3 stocks which I have added, which can help you out for the entries on, especially on the daily time frame. First one is Titan is good to enter. Reason being the way the candle has closed, and also the formation. Like I keep repeating, it's not just the candle, it's where it's forming. So breakout, pullback, and it's more like a rejection candle which is formed. So good to buy because risk is only till this much, and it is constantly testing new highs, and it's in a good bullish trend. So would be a good option to go for buy. So that is one. Another one what I have is Coal India. Again, we have a pin bar exactly at 200 moving average. No need to draw a trend line also, but still I would draw it if since my analysis is incomplete without that. So if you see, it's a good support level, and we have a clear rejection candle. Though we had a previous to that, there was a rejection candle on the downside at the resistance. But again, market went down till here and again got rejected. This is a stronger support because 200 is also supporting here. And if you draw a Fibonacci, it is rejecting 50%. It is closed above 50%. So it is indicating for strong buy. And risk is only till this level, or max to max what you can keep is below 61.8, but main target will be till this level. So that is another trade setup, which is Coal India, good buy. And the next one what I have is Hindalco Industries. This looks quite good to me because again, the candlestick which has closed today, the daily candlestick, it's a bullish pin bar and formed exactly at the pullback level of this breakout. Previous high breakout it did, and it did a pullback till that level. So looks like a good setup. Another trend line what I can notice is something like this, which is acting as a resistance, support turning into resistance and again turning into support. So overall, it's a good area to be on the buying side. Again, risk is small, reward is good. So these are the 3 setups which I have added from my side as well. So that's the entire thing from my end. If you guys want me to add more stocks or any instrument which you're trading on, especially apart from Nifty 50 stocks, because generally I would be covering that. But if whatever stocks you guys are trading on and you need my opinion and you need my direction for that week, you can post it on the comment box and I can just help you guys out. So see you again next week on Friday mostly, and because I want to check the weekly close as well. So that's why see you again next week on Friday, and have a good day and a great week. Bye bye guys, see you.